Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export Fundbox data to Excel. Exporting your Fundbox transaction history to Excel is going to help you to analyze spendings, to track draws and repayments, as well as to align Fundbox data with your bookkeeping. While Fundbox doesn't currently offer a built-in export to Excel button, you can still retrieve your data using these methods. Let's get into it. First method is to use your connected accounting software. If you connected Fundbox to tools like QuickBooks, FreshBook, or Xero, your Fundbox activity is automatically important. To export, just open your accounting software, navigate to the Fundbox account or label, and then apply filter if needed. Then click export or download as CSV or XLSX. This is the cleanest method and the data is already categorized. The second method is to manually copy from Fundbox dashboard. If you don't use accounting softwares, here's a workaround. Log into your Fundbox dashboard and then go to the transactions or activity page. There, highlight and copy the visible list of draws and repayments, paste it into Excel or Google Sheet, and then use columns for dates, transaction type, amount, remaining balance, and notes. From there, you can create totals, charts, or summaries. The third method is to request a statement from Fundbox. If you need a full export or you want official records, go to the Help or Contact Support section of Fundbox. Send a request for your transaction history or draw summaries. You will typically receive a CSV or PDF file within a few days. This is ideal for tax prep or audits. Regularly exporting and reviewing your Fundbox data helps to ensure that your credit line is being used wisely and profitably. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.